What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here's the Panasonic GX85 kit. Yeah, watch my video till end because I'm going to do the, you know what? I am going to do the unboxing and an in-depth review using the kit lens. So as you can see from the box, micro four third 4K. Let me show you from the back, nothing. Okay, there's some good information on the side as you can see. Can you see or not? I mean, it have a 16 megapixel DFT, which means data focus is going to be better. I mean, dual IS, touch, low light, awesome time lapse, everything is awesome. Let me take out the box. So here are the manual. Let's see what kind of manual you get. Okay, I mean same boring stuff, nothing special. Okay, here the strap. You get a strap. And then here's the battery. Let me take out the battery. While buying from the shop, I put a screen protector. Okay, I get the UK plug. I get two plug. I mean, isn't that awesome? I get two plug and a micro USB. Enough. I mean, this camera have a USB charging, which is awesome. So here's my beloved camera. If you're going to buy this camera, make sure to put this matte screen protector. I put the matte screen protector from the shop while I was purchasing. Watch my video why I bought this camera over the Panasonic GX9. Yeah, that one had 20 megapixel, a little bit better autofocus, but everything is same. So I just went with the Panasonic GX85. Okay, here's my camera as you can see. I mean, the first look, as you can see, the camera is tiny. The camera is really very beautiful in my hand, isn't it? You need to be the judge. I mean, as you can see, okay, like this, you extend the lens. I mean, can you see? Okay. Okay, I mean, that's really awesome. Okay, let me put the battery inside. Even it's for the DC coupler, which means you can buy the dummy charger battery. I mean, you see, it's for this one can come out. If we are going to capture some time lapse, like for 12 hours, you can turn this camera on. Okay, I like the screen. Okay, sadly, I wish it act like the Olympus Pen 9 camera, ELF Pen 9, where the screen can go down. You can take the selfie, but I like this mode. Then let me turn on. Okay. So these are the setting. Let me show you some setting before we jump out. Okay, I mean these are the setting which you get: quality, raw, 4K, bracket. Okay, let me go to the photo, reset. Okay, yeah, these are the setting you're getting. Silent. Oh. Okay. Okay. So the first impression is that the build quality, I mean this thing is built like a tank. I'm literally not lying. This camera is built like a tank. When I'm telling you this camera is built like a tank, so maybe you can see from here. EV finder, can we see? Can we see or not? Can the camera see? Okay, we need to zoom. Now can we see or not? Can the camera see or not? Because my main purpose is showing you this thing. Come on. Can the camera focus or not? Okay, yeah. Now the camera is focusing. Yeah, can you see that you found? I really like this one thing. I mean, to be honest with you, I mean this thing is really very much amazing. By the way, I'm using the Panasonic G7 to record this video. I mean, this is a heavy camera. You could easily hold with one hand. Everything is awesome. Now jump back outside. The build quality is one of the best build quality ever. I say, jump outside. Allah fahab li tawbata wa ufir dhunubi fa inna
فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم إلهي لست للفردوس أهلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي توبة واغفر ذنوبي فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم Tuhanku aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku ampunkanlah dosaku sesungguhnya engkaulah pengampun dosa-dosa besar Tuhanku aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku ampunkanlah dosaku sesungguhnya engkaulah pengampun dosa-dosa besar Ilahi lastu lil firdausi a'la wala aqwa ala naril jahim Allah fahab li tawbatan waghfir dhunubi fa innaka ghafiru dhanbil azim ilahi lastu lil firdausi a'la wala aqwa ala naril jahim Allah fahab li tawbatan waghfir dhunubi fa innaka ghafirun
Panasonic GX85 body weight is 12 to 32 millimeter. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality, how good is the artwork. So cameraman, can you touch on my face and then focus me? Am I in the focus? So yeah, so you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. So the cameraman can show around. According to the Panasonic GX85, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Currently I'm walking hand and leg different. Again, you need to be the judge how good is video quality and how good is the video stabilizer. It's me, Jimmy, Geek, testing the Panasonic GX85 with the kit lens. The kit lens is a very famous kit lens, which is the same kit lens come with the GX9 and a lot of Panasonic camera, 12mm to 32mm pancake lens. I'm using the dual IS, which means that the kit lens have a OIS plus the camera body have a 5-axis image stabilizer. And I'm currently recording in 4K. Yes, 4K. And then I'm using recording in 25 frames per second. 25 frames per second is my favorite. I mean, I don't know people the 25 frame per second looks slow. To me it look quite good, and I'm walking like a general man. I'm wearing a very heavy handbag. I'm holding my lunch box, so the camera is like around 500 grams with the lens, so it's a heavy camera. My hand is like going ooh, but you need to be the judge how good it is. Trust me, Jimmy, make sure to check out the links in the description box. Currently I'm walking and holding the Panasonic GX85 in my hand, handheld. It have a 5-axis stabilizer. You need to be the judge how good is the video stabilizer and how good is the video quality. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video stabilizer and how good is the video quality. Panasonic GX85 4K video recording and 25 frames per second. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality of it. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of it. Recording on the Panasonic GX85. Recording the video on the Panasonic GX85. Yes, Panasonic GX85 3.5 aperture, 160 frames per second. Recording the vivid filter. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. You heard me right. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality on the Panasonic GX85 with no color grading, just using the built-in filter vivid. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the zoom. Yeah, this is the video quality of the Panasonic GX85. I'm walking. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yes, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of the Panasonic GX85. Again, you need to be the judge. So I have to cross from, I think so here. Yeah, I have to cross from this way. I'm going this way. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. So I'm recording with the Panasonic GX85. As you can see, I'm walking. How good is the video stabilizer? So I come to buy from Bromwin. So last year I bought the Panasonic LX7 and the LX10 camera, which I really like it. So this year I'm buying the Panasonic GX85. You need to be the judge how good this is the quality. And then make sure to subscribe. You wanna buy the camera in Hong Kong? Personally, I only love the Bromwin Digital Limited, to be honest with you. Subscribe and buy. Recording with the Panasonic GX85. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. I'm recording in 4K 25 frames per second, and I'm using a similar to Manfrotto port, Pixie port as my holding stick. I'm not holding the camera with my hand. I'm just using very small. Like I will just put the link in the description box below, guys. So this video is about the video quality. I'm recording in a video mode 4K, but I'm using the manual mode. I have set the aperture to 3.5, which is the lowest you can get with the kit lens. Yes, I'm using the kit lens. And then I'm using 60 second the shutter speed. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yeah, to be honest with you, it seems quite good to me, and it was me, Geek. And then this is I'm holding with the arm length 12 to 32 millimeter. I'm using on a 12 millimeter. This is my fully arm extend like this. You need to be the judge how good it is. It was me, Geek. It's the 4K video quality of the Panasonic GX85. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of the Panasonic GX85. How good is the video quality, how good is the walking test of the Panasonic GX5 5-axis stabilizer. Yes, a 5-axis stabilizer. I'm hand-holding the camera. Let me show you the handle camera. As you can see, I'm holding like this and I'm just walking. You need to be the judge how good is the video stabilizer of it. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video stabilizer of this Panasonic GX85. I'm currently again holding the camera. As you can see, you need to be the judge how good is the video stabilizer. What's up, guys? It's me, Geek from. So I'm at Ebenezer in Hong Kong trying the chicken biryani. So let me take out this spoon and tell you how good is the chicken biryani. Okay, here we go. Let me try it. It's outstanding, to be honest with you. It's outstanding. If you come to Hong Kong, then you need to try the chicken biryani, definitely. Yeah. It's really very outstanding, to be honest with you. Subscribe and buy. So make sure to check out the links in the description box below and subscribe and buy.